A lot of people delay getting started with their finances because they're waiting for the perfect plan. Here's the problem: that plan doesn't exist, and waiting for it usually costs more than just starting imperfectly. The idea of a perfect financial plan assumes you can map out every variable in advance: income changes, unexpected expenses, market conditions, life circumstances, and account for all of it up front. In reality, no plan can fully anticipate that much uncertainty. The conditions you're planning around will keep shifting long after the plan is made. What works better is a flexible structure rather than a fixed prediction. A good financial plan isn't one that gets everything right from day one. It's one that can absorb new information and adjust without falling apart entirely. This is the same principle that applies to analyzing markets. No analysis accounts for every possible outcome. What matters is building something durable enough to adapt as conditions change, not something so rigid it breaks the moment reality differs from the original assumption. Chasing a perfect plan often leads to one of two outcomes: either constant delay, because the plan never feels finished enough to act on, or abandonment entirely, the moment reality deviates from what was originally mapped out. A flexible, good enough plan that you actually follow and adjust over time will almost always outperform a theoretically perfect plan that never gets implemented, or gets discarded the first time it's tested. At FluxPointEdge, this is the same structured thinking we apply to markets. Building frameworks that hold up under changing conditions, rather than chasing certainty that was never realistically available. Subscribe to FluxPointEdge for structured thinking applied to markets and financial planning alike.